Welcome to News 18 Shosha Reel Awards. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. अच्छा तो इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है फिर
हम
अगर
थोड़ा
आप mic को ही
सा
ऐसे-
just to be on the safe side, we're just taking 2 mics.
Okay, great. No, I'm feeling great. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for having me. Yeah, I'm very excited, very uncomfortable. मुझे लगता है आप लोगों को ये अवार्ड मिस्टर एंड मिसेस माही के लिए नहीं बल्कि इन हील्स में चलने के लिए देना चाहिए मुझे. But yeah, happy to be here.
You can totally elaborate more on how difficult it is to walk on heels, you know, because more audience connectivity. बहुत सारी लड़कियां देख रही होंगी. I'm pretty sure it's very tough.
वो हालत खराब हो गई.
हेलो कैसे हो?
लेकिन it's fine. It's worth it for fashion.
That's true. That's true.
मैम एक सेकंड रुकिए ना.
It's all a part of hard work. So, Janvi, like any particular movie or web series that you're rooting for, कोई एक फिल्म या परफॉर्मेंस इसे देख के आपको लगा हो यार मजा आ गया.
I think Lapata Ladies, definitely. Yeah, I think we're all always rooting for a film like Lapata Ladies that I guess started off as a little bit of an underdog film but came and moved all of us and created such a reaction amongst the audience, and there's so much love for the film and all of the performances and all of the talent, the new talent in the movie. So definitely Lapata Ladies.
थैंक यू.
Okay, so can we say right now your favorite song is कोई मिल गया मैं तो हील गया?
Ha ha ha.
Come on.
Yeah, maybe. Probably.
Probably.
Yeah.
Pretty laugh, good enough. I'll survive. So, Janvi, any upcoming projects, anything, you know, something that you would want to break on News 18 Shosha Reel Awards, especially for our audiences. आपके बहुत सारे fans हमारे channel पे. So, anything that you'd like to tell the fans
मैम एक सेकंड
about?
रुकिए ना. विल नॉट.
Something that I want to tell them about, just that thank you so much for all of the love. Always thank you so much for voting for me. There's of course a lot of exciting work coming up. There's Param Sundari, there's Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari, there's RC16, there's another film. I'm not sure if I can officially talk about it or not yet, so I'll just avoid. But yeah, a lot of exciting stuff, a lot of stuff that's very close to my heart. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Perfect, Janvi. And one last question. Any performance that you saw in the past year that you were like,
Thank you.
yeah, I wish I was a part of that film or that series?
I think a performance that just had everyone completely awestruck was Ranbir in Animal. Of course, all of the performances in Lapata Ladies, but also I just saw Black Warrant, and I think Zahan Kapoor was unbelievable in it. Yeah,
I guess talent runs in the Kapoor family, you can say.
with different Kapoor
Both
families,
the
but yeah,
Kapoor
let's.
Perfect. Janvi, pleasure having you here. I
Thank
hope
you
enjoy
so
the
much.
evening.
Thank
Lovely
you.
having here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to more such amazing performances.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Very lovely
guys.
Janvi Kapoor.
Thank you.
Yeah, मुझे